A horizontal mattress is where two stitches are placed in the same horizontal plane next to one another. This is ideal for everting the wound edges to facilitate optimal healing. To perform a horizontal mattress stitch, drive the needle horizontally across the wound as you would a simple interrupted stitch. Then, reload the needle. This is often done backhand. However, you may drive the next bite forehand if you have room to adjust and reposition your body. Advance a distance of about 1 centimeter away from where the needle exited. At the same distance away from the wound edge and at the same depth as the first bite, drive the needle across back to the other side. Tie the suture strands together and cut.